Hello viewers, welcome to PK Learning. Viewers, today we will discuss the important botany MCQs. And viewers, if you have not just yet subscribed my channel, then subscribe it and also like the video. Let's start it. And first question is, the term vernalization was coined by Gardner, Lysenko, Linnaeus या फिर Melcher? And answer is B, Lysenko. The term vernalization was coined by Lysenko. B is correct option. And next question is, Pollinium is found in family Asclepidaceae, Robiaceae, Solanaceae या फिर Myrtaceae, and answer is A, Asclepidaceae. Pollinium belongs to family Asclepidaceae. And next question is, wheat grains are devernalized at 25 degree, 35 degree, 5 degree या फिर 15 degree centigrade, and answer is B, 35 degree centigrade. Wheat grains are devernalized at 35 degree centigrade. And next question is, the part of cauliflower that we eat is stem, leaf, flower या फिर inflorescence, and answer is D, inflorescence. Part of cauliflower that we eat is inflorescence. And next question is, which of the following enzyme is used for removing nitrogenous stem? Protease, amylases, rennet या फिर lactases, and answer is A, protease. Protease is used for removing nitrogenous stain. A is correct option. And next question is, the pendulum-like movement is found in Nostoc, Anabaena, Oscillatoria या फिर Rivularia, and answer is C, Oscillatoria. Pendulum-like movement, Oscillatoria. And next question. Is, PCR technique was discovered by Halley, Kerry-Mullis, Stanford या फिर none of these, and answer is B, Kerry-Mullis. Kerry-Mullis discovered polymerase chain reaction technique. And next question is, atmospheric nitrogen fixing form is Microcystis, Chlorella, Spirulina या फिर Alocera, and answer is D, Alocera. And next question is, maximum number of existing transgenic animal is of cow, goat, fish या फिर mice, and answer is D, mice. Maximum number of existing transgenic animal is of mice. And next question is, advantage of cleistogamy is vivipary, higher genetic variability, more vigorous offspring या फिर no dependence on pollinator, and answer is D, no dependence on pollinator. No dependence on pollinator is the advantage of cleistogamy. And next question is, Placia stage is found in Chlamydomonas, Pandorina, Eudorina या फिर Volvox, and answer is D, Volvox. Placia stage is in Volvox. And next question is, Orcine dye is obtained from the lichen Lazellia, Cladonia, Lecanora या फिर Ramalina, and answer is C, Lecanora, which is a lichen, and Orcine dye is obtained from Lecanora. And next question is, pigment cup is found in eye spots, paranoid nucleus या फिर nucleolus, and answer is A, eye spot. Pigment cup is in eye spot. And next question is, alga commonly found in Indian Sea is Fucus laminaria, Sargassum या फिर all of these, and answer is C, Sargassum. Sargassum is commonly found in Indian Sea. And next question is, Cascota is an example of blood parasitism, predation, endoparasitism या फिर ectoparasitism, and answer is D, ectoparasitism. Cascota is an example of ectoparasitism. D is correct option. Thank you viewer for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.